Here we have a 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Club Victoria. 63A would be the body style designation on this car. It also was originally a willow green and colonial white car when it left the Long Beach assembly plant where it was made. If you look at the data tag, you can tell that. As you can see, the 57 carried over the single headlights on each side from its predecessor. 57, there was actually a plethora of models in the Ford lineup, from the Custom all the way up to the Fairlane 500. It was a very successful year for Ford. Actually outsold Chevy models for the first time since 1935. If you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of the car, check out the engine bay, interior trunk, take a look underneath this video. You're going to see a link. Click on that. That'll take you to Unique Classic Cars. You can check out the still pictures of this, or feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. I'd call this a driver quality car, not a trailer queen by any means. You're going to find some imperfections in it down in the chrome here. Some of the body moldings I noticed have been kind of maybe straightened out or fixed a little bit, if you can see that. It's nice looking, nice driver. Lake pipes on the side of it, they're not functional. They're for looks, just so you know. Big fender skirts in the back. Now in the trunk of this, if you check out those still pictures, you'll see that there's parts to a Continental kit for the rear, and I noticed there were some couple extra fender skirts in there. See the big rear bumper dual exhaust. You can see the chrome in the rear bumper, nice shape. Again, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to discuss this car with you. And again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Or like I said, click on the link below this video, and that'll take you right to it. We do consider trades. Financing is available for these classics. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. Kind of another spot. Notice where they've had to work on the bright work a little bit. And up and down this side. Interior does have that 4-speed in it. As far as black vinyl material. And then there is buckets up front. Aftermarket radio has been added along with some gauges. Take a look at the headliner. Other than the radio and the aftermarket tack, kind of retains the same stock dash and steering wheel that you would have found in this. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. We'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Car starts easily. There's the aftermarket stereo, little Pioneer. That does work. I did have the heater fan. Fan was going also. The blower fan was working. Aftermarket tack. There's the 4-speed, and then of course the aftermarket gauge, as I mentioned, and there is a manual choke down there. Car idles and runs smoothly. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Nice little rumble coming out of that V8. Doesn't appear to smoke. Let's go up to the front. I'm going to pause this video a second. We'll pop the hood. Check out the engine bay. Alright, let's take a look under the hood. Now, like I said earlier, this car did come with a 312. If you're going to notice, along the way, here's somebody put a 390 in here. Hot rodded it up a little bit. This smooth running engine. Dressed up nicely. Change the ignition on it. Slip around to the other side here too. It looks like they capped off the heater hose. So earlier I stated the fan does blow inside. Blower fan does work, but the heater 4 does appear has been unhooked. They did the engine swap. Nice smooth running engine. Tidy engine bay. So there you go, 1957 Ford Fairlane 500. Now powered by a 390 4-speed manual transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or down below the link of this, and down below in the description, there is a link. Click on it. It'll take you to unique classic cars. You can check the still pictures out of this car. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. Feel free to give us a call.